Hey, welcome back. Want to talk to you about a leak that we have under the sink and what we're going to do to fix it. Let's get underneath the sink right now and I'll show you what's going on. So under normal circumstances, the first place you're going to look is to see whether you have a leak here. Look at the bucket here. We've got so much water captured and it's actually not coming out of the waistline. It's coming from the pull-down hose out of the Pfister faucet out of here. I'm going to see if I can turn the sink on and get the light on it so you can see it's actually spraying out. We're going to have to replace that, and I had to wait about 10 days for that to arrive, and really that's what you've seen accumulate in here. Going to dump this out and start the replacement process. I'll show you how we do that. One thing you have to remember to do is turn the water off. You don't want to start this with the water on. You have a bigger mess. So what we need to do is unscrew. There's this quick release mechanism that releases and attaches the hose to the supply fitting up underneath. Hopefully it was a tight spot. You got to see how I did that. Just press this in and it released it. Now I just need to unscrew this part from here, and then we can pull. Looks like I need to get the bucket under, and then we can pull this, get the weight off. We'll be able to pull this out now. I'm going to have to unscrew this. Here's the replacement. So we're gonna be snaking this back down through underneath, and then we'll show you how to take care of it from there. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is thread this back on. Just gets hand tightened. Then I have to take this piece and find the fitting up top in that tight space and reconnect it. I'll try to get you to see it with the camera. It might not be easy for you to see it, but we're going to go do that right now. We have to remember to feed this through the weight first. And actually I should have fed it through the weight before screwing this, because it won't fit through the weight. Little things that you learn when you do a job for the first time. You want to make sure when you put these things in that you're not, going around something like this, like the supply, because if you do that and then you're going to pull the hose down from up top in the sink, it's going to get caught on here. So you have to go behind it to make sure there's no blocking happening. So when you push this thing up, you have to hear it snap in. It was really difficult to do on camera, so you didn't get to see me do that. My arms are in the way, but this thing has to push up into this fitting and you'll hear it click, and then you know it's in and you can't pull it down. We can screw the sprayer nozzle back on. Now we can turn the water back on. We're going to turn on the sink, see what happens here. Okay, no leaks. You can see how easy that was. A little tight space in the back of the sink, but definitely something you can do yourself. Do not call a plumber to fix this. If you've noticed that it's your your supply hose that's leaking, your pull down hose from your Pfister faucet, or really any other faucet. It doesn't have to be Pfister. They're all going to have a similar type of setup. It just might be a different fitting or so, but check that out first before you make a phone call and spend a couple $100s. That part actually was free, because when we bought the faucet, it came with a lifetime warranty and all the parts. I was actually surprised about that. So we just had to wait 7 to 10 days to get it. I hope this helped. Hit that like button if it's helped you. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.